Imagine this, a frozen marina, blanketed in snow, so quiet you can hear each delicate snowflake land. But wait, what's that? What's that? A lone boat, trapped in ice, like a forgotten relic of summer. This isn't your average snowfall. Alpena Marina has transformed into a mesmerizing winter wonderland, where the docks are buried under a soft, glistening white coat, and the air hums with an almost magical stillness. Every step crunches, every breath turns to mist, and every snow-covered boat looks like it's waiting for a voyage that won't come until spring. But here's the real showstopper, the snowfall itself. Not just any flurry, but the kind that turns the world into a slow-motion dreamscape. Watch closely as the tiny flakes swirl, dance, and settle on the frozen lake, creating a landscape so serene it feels like nature is showing off. And just when you think it couldn't get more peaceful, listen. The distant call of winter birds, the occasional groan of ice shifting, the muffled world wrapped in snow. It's the kind of quiet that doesn't feel empty, it feels alive. Stay with this moment. Let the stillness sink in. This is winter's masterpiece. Join me as I try to capture the perfect shot of Alpena Marina's magical snowfall without getting frostbite. In this video, you'll explore the enchanting beauty of Alpena Marina during winter, showcasing the magical snowfall that blankets the area. Many people overlook the stunning seasonal changes in their local environments, often missing out on the beauty winter brings. It's easy to get stuck in our daily routines and forget to appreciate the transformation that occurs when the snow starts falling. I think that's one of the reasons I love filming during the winter season. It's like the world gets a fresh new coat of paint and everything looks brand new. The cold air is invigorating and the silence is almost palpable. And let's be honest, there's something magical about walking around with snow crunching beneath your feet. As we explore Alpena Marina, I want you to imagine yourself walking alongside me, taking in the sights and sounds of this winter wonderland. It's a truly unique experience, and one that I'm excited to share with you. As we wander through the marina, you'll notice the way the snowflakes gently fall onto the frozen waters, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. The docks, once bustling with activity, are now quiet and still, covered in a thick layer of snow. It's a peaceful, serene atmosphere, one that's perfect for slowing down and appreciating the beauty of nature. I love the way the snow emphasizes the textures and shapes of the marina's structures, making everything feel more rugged and dramatic. And of course, there's the sound, the soft crunch of snow beneath our feet, the distant call of a bird, the gentle lapping of the water against the shore. It's a symphony of sound that's both calming and invigorating. One of the things that really stands out about Alpena Marina during the winter is the way the light falls. The snowy landscape acts like a giant reflector, bouncing the light around and creating an ethereal glow. It's like the entire area is bathed in a soft, white luminescence, making everything feel magical and otherworldly. As we move through the marina, I want to capture the way the light dances across the snow, creating long shadows and highlighting the textures of the environment. It's a truly unique and breathtaking sight, one that I'm excited to share with you. The snowflakes themselves are tiny miracles of engineering, each one unique and delicate. I love capturing them up close, watching as they fall from the sky and land gently on the surface of the water. It's a mesmerizing sight, one that never gets old. And when we put it all together, the snowflakes, the light, the peaceful atmosphere, it's truly magical. It's like the entire world has slowed down, and all that's left is the gentle fall of snow. Reveal the most mesmerizing scenes of the snowfall, perhaps featuring a time-lapse or close-up shots of snowflakes falling, creating a magical atmosphere. I want to take you on a journey through the snowfall, capturing the intricate dance of the snowflakes as they fall from the sky. It's a truly hypnotic sight, one that's both calming and exhilarating. As we move through the marina, I'll be capturing the snowfall from all angles, using time lapses and close-ups to emphasize the beauty of this natural wonder. It's a truly unique experience, one that I'm excited to share with you. As we wrap up our visit to Alpena Marina, I want to leave you with a sense of wonder and appreciation for the beauty of winter. It's a season that's often overlooked, but it brings a unique set of challenges and opportunities for capturing stunning footage. I hope this video has inspired you to get out and explore your own local winter landscapes, to appreciate the beauty and tranquility that they bring. Thanks for joining me on this winter adventure. If you have a favorite winter spot, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more seasonal content. I've got some amazing videos lined up for the coming months.